I got Doug Heike with us, a New York State Assemblyman, a Democrat, on this. I don't know. I don't think we'll get into with the Assemblyman, the Adele thing. I mean, maybe he's a big fan, maybe not. But Assemblyman, let me get your take on this as we get ready for this press conference on recalibrating this relationship right now. It's kind of went off the rails. Where do you see it now?
Well, I think it's going to be totally different. Even the few moments of the president greeting the prime minister and the prime minister greeting the president, just those few moments, you could sort of tell that there was something different there that you did not have before. And that was only a couple of moments. Look,
well, they have known each other for decades. There is that added value. You know, when you know someone for so long, through ups and downs, whatever, just familiarity itself is an important
absolutely
point, you know?
There's a very deep relationship, and I believe that this administration, from the president, the vice president, and many of the people in his administration, the Congress, of course, I think this is going to be one of the most dramatic, friendly administrations in terms of the relationship between the U.S. and Israel. This administration understands the threats that Israel faces. They understand the terrorism that Israel has faced all of its existence. So there's going to be a very, very different approach. It's going to be very, very special. It's going to be an incredible relationship, as the president would say.
But we also have our difficulties as the first ladies of both countries arrive here, waiting for their husbands. Kushner there, of course, the very influential role in this administration. But I do want to get your take real quickly, Dov, on the fact that we're hearing rumors that this, I said another Adele song, but that they are going to sort of ask the Israelis to cool it on these expanded settlements. Not stop them or reverse them, but certainly don't aggressively go beyond what you're doing. What do you make of that?
Well, I don't have a problem with any of that, to be honest with you. The fact is that this administration understands Israel, does not have the same problem in terms of the communities in Judea and Samaria. You know, they're called settlements. Most of them are cities with some of them with tens of thousands of people. They're not settlements with a couple of people living there.
Right.
So, you know, with regard to some of these cities, there's no question this administration is going to support Israel continuing to build. The question is about the outlying settlements. We'll see what happens with that. But the bottom line is, you know, that America and Israel are going to be great friends. That does not mean that things will always be perfect, that American national interests may not be a little different from Israel at certain times. That will be the case. But you know what the difference is? There's a friend, someone the Israelis trust, someone that the prime minister and the president, they have a relationship.